Falls. What is going on? It's been a minute since I saw you guys, since Costa Rica 3 months ago for my birthday. Welcome to my final trip of the year. It is currently 1:30 in the morning. I need to go to work in a couple of hours, and then I'm going straight to the airport. So, last trip of the year, Tennessee. Stay tuned. Let's get it. I guess with Southwest, whatever seat is open, you can just take it. Like there's no assigned seating, which is kind of dope. Kind of dope. We made it finally. It is definitely a lot colder here in Nashville, but now we're getting the rental car and let's get out of here. I am exhausted. Y'all, this mug is freezing. I'm too lazy to put my jacket on, but this is not Arizona at all. I walked outside like, God damn. This is the rental car. It's kind of okay. It's kind of nice. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, that's kind of close. This is my rental car. Yeah. Let's see if we can look inside real quick. Ooh. Okay. Yeah. Talk to me. This is what we're gonna be driving in, you guys. So this is the hotel. I'm only gonna be here for tonight. Not too expensive, pretty cheap. We got the Waffle House right here, so we know we're gonna be tomorrow morning. Yeah. I'm trying to see how these rooms are looking. The room, not too bad at all, actually. Let's see what we got. Woohoo! Okay. I'm fucking with it. Small, but it's cool. Just what I need, just for the night. I'm happy that I landed all good, and tomorrow's gonna be a long driving day, but I'm really excited. Stay tuned. Day 2. Good morning, day 2. So the plan is either Waffle House across the street or check out the free breakfast that the hotel offers. So I'm gonna do both, see what's going on. A long drive today. Today's just gonna be a big day of driving. There's this really nice waterfall from the Jungle Book that I'm gonna stop by before I go to my aunt's house. She lives in New Tazewell, which is about 3.5 hours away from Nashville. So today's just gonna be a big driving day, but I'm definitely gonna check out that waterfall. But yeah, it's really about it for the day. Come with me.
Man, that stitch cord ain't trying to be a plug. Bust down the plate of board, straight 8, 3.5 a dub. He ain't blocked to grab the razor. Trap Kimbo slice, fuck up about your bowl. I'ma take her to grandma high for chicken.
Look at this. What's crazy is that there's no like wall protecting you. You could literally fall. That's crazy. insane. Insane. Let's see if we can get down and actually see the waterfall from the bottom. Ozone Falls. Ooh. Yeah. Look at that. Here with it. All right, y'all. You saw it. I'm kind of scared of these dogs. They're probably waiting on me. Let's hurry up and get back in this car. Hit up my aunt's. Hour and 45 minutes away from where I'm at, so a little drive left, halfway there. Let's get it. Pulling up to my aunt's house. Yeah. She lives in a real small city, New Tazewell. It's a long drive, but we're finally here. I'm starving. Get some food. Hold up, she lives in a huge house. Wait a minute. This house is huge. Wait. I've never been here before. God damn, it's like that, Aunt Lovey? You got the little house on the prairie for real? Okay. Where do I even park at? Is this her house too? No, I think it's just this one. No, this is mad dope. Oh yeah. Looking good. This house is huge. This is the guest room. This is Robbie staying for the rest of my trip. Got my own little bathroom. Nice little... My aunt's house is huge. This is my first time here. She has like a 4-story house. Day 2 is completed. Spent the day with the family. I ate so much bread and macaroni and ham and mashed potatoes. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving. Remember the truth. I want everyone to look up the truth behind Thanksgiving and how it came to be. I really just wanted to put that on here. So we can still celebrate, but don't forget what happened. Anywho, Great Smoky Mountains tomorrow. I heard it is the busiest day. Like the traffic is gonna take hours, but I have to do this. It's a necessity, so stay tuned. Great Smoky Mountains tomorrow. All day, I'm gonna be down there. It's about 2-hour drive from where I'm at now. And yeah, have a good one, y'all. See you then. Word, I got hella layers on right now. It is currently 6 in the morning, day 3. I am headed to the Great Smoky Mountains today. I heard today is like the busiest day to go. So I have a feeling I'm gonna be there like all day and not get much done because there's so many people there right now. But I have to do it. It is about 2-hour drive and hopefully I can see some bears and stuff. So y'all are gonna come with me. Let's get to it. Y'all, it is 24 degrees. We are starting our drive. Woo! It is cold. Ooh, look at this, y'all. It's getting windy. Oh, the sun's going away. That's how you know we're in here. If I would've came, Great Smoky Mountain sign. Yeah. I guess I need a parking pass if I want to park anywhere in the park for more than 15 minutes. Because of that, I'm gonna get one here. Didn't know I needed one. And I'm also gonna get a shirt. So you know when I go to a national park, I need to get some merch every single time. So I'll show you how it looks when we get inside. They have a little museum here. This is pretty dope. I guess these are all the native animals in the Smokies. Skunk. You have a gray fox. A possum. Kind of dope. The native plants. This is so cool. What is that? Big, that's not a snake. They have turtles, mushrooms, a red fox. All of these are here. This is so crazy. What the hell is this? Big wild turkey, big turkey boy. Happy Thanksgiving. Super cool. Super dope, super dope. A mink. All right, it's time to get out of here. It's a hawk. It's time to see some great Smoky Mountains. Oh, did I show y'all the shirt that I got? I got the blue one, the glow in the dark one. We got a little tunnel. We are just making our way up the mountain to go to the top. I'm gonna see how cold it is up here because we might or might not do a hike. Might or might not. Not gonna lie. Oh my god, I know what it is. What makes it so cold up here is the wind chill. Jesus. Oh my god. The wind chill is insane. Wild roosters. What? That's crazy. Wild roosters. We're about to pull up to the trail, and now it's officially snowing. We're at 15 degrees. Y'all. I am about to freeze to death. I have the heat blaring right now. The second I get out of this car, it's over with. Look at the trees. Snow just came out of nowhere. We are at the highest point of Tennessee right now. 15 degrees. We're not even talking about the wind chill yet. Look at the icicles. Look at this drive. What? Drive. Next is Newfound Gap. It's another really nice overlook. It has some hiking trails attached to it. One of them's a really cool waterfall, actually, that I wanted to do, but I highly doubt it because it's so cold. But I'm just happy that we're getting to lower ground. It's still going to be freezing, but not as freezing as up there. Yeah. Internet's not working, but we're trying to. We're here. He just proposed. He just proposed. I missed it. I just heard everyone start cheering. He just proposed.
Congratulations.
Yeah, that's dope, y'all.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Quit shaking.
The whole group's about to be wiped up!
That's dope. Super dope.
Yeah, did you say yes?
Congrats, man. That's dope.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. That's dope, y'all. So we're back in the car. We did Clingman's Dome, tallest point in Tennessee. We did Newfound Gap, which is a very famous overlook that I just showed you guys. And the last thing I have on my itinerary for today is the Roaring Fork Nature Trail. This is something that you drive, and there's a lot of hikes you can do, but I'm not doing none of those because I'm gonna freeze to death. But it's a driving nature trail, and I heard you can see a lot of bears here, but I doubt it since it's gonna be so cold. But yeah, this is literally just a really scenic drive. The road is super narrow, you can't make a U-turn, and it's a couple miles long, and there's usually hella traffic. But yeah, that's the last part on my itinerary. Then I can go back to New Tazewell. Super cool day, literally. These icicles, y'all. Check it out. This is the nature trail that you just drive through. You can see it's very narrow, and you can't make U-turn. I think it's about 4 miles. And they have some waterfall stops, I'm not gonna lie, some waterfall hikes. I just skipped one, and it's 39 degrees right now, so it's a little more warm. So if I see another one, I might make that couple mile hike, but probably not, I don't know. We'll play it by ear. Pretty peaceful. Super narrow. You will find them. Guys, I think there's bears. I think I see bears. They're crossing the street. Look at the bear. Oh, we found them. There's more. With a little baby. With 2 babies. Oh, we found the bears, y'all. Look, Aunt got a little massage chair, you feel me? This shit is crazy. And get a look at it. Look at that. You got the state of the art. I don't even know what this is. You can change it up. It has me in here like a baby. You feel me? What you think, Owen?
I feel good after.
You feel good
I always
after?
feel good after.
Cool. That's all we need. This video quality is so trash right now, but I almost forgot to make this. Day 3 was successful. Great Smoky Mountains day. Real dope. Great experience. And tomorrow, I'm headed to a state park. It's my waterfall day tomorrow, so stay tuned. It's almost 1 in the morning right now, so it's time to get some sleep. See y'all tomorrow. Let's do my morning on the GoPro. This looks kind of dope. All right, y'all. It is day 3. 4, 3, one of these days. And I slept in. It is like 10 in the morning right now. You guys usually know I'm out at like 6 in the morning. I have a 2.5 hour drive to Rock City, Tennessee, Rock City State Park. They have huge waterfalls out there, and y'all know that's what I like. So that's all I really have planned today is Rock City. And tomorrow we have Chattanooga. But yeah, join me on this waterfall journey, y'all. Let's get to it. 2 hours and 30 minutes. Just got some gas. Beautiful drive. This is real rural Tennessee. Country, all country. So we have a long drive ahead of us. And yeah, I can't wait to show you this one. They have like 2 really huge waterfalls. These waterfalls are probably the most famous waterfalls in Tennessee, other than Ruby Falls, which is a waterfall that is inside of a cave, and they put lights on it to make it look all cool. But I'm going to see that tomorrow in Chattanooga. So other than that waterfall, these waterfalls are like the best waterfalls out here. So I can't wait to show y'all. Yeah. I have a cold sore right here because it was so freezing up there in the Great Smoky Mountains that my lips literally froze off. And it hurts, but it's okay. We still living our best life. Uh-oh, we made it. It's time. 1.6 strenuous hike. We can only catch 1 a day. These are the fish they have here. We out. We is out. We is out. Look at that thing over there. My camera look blurry. Over there. Ooh, oh shit. It's deep. Oh. Okay, y'all. Oh. Oh shit. It's deep. Walk me. Got to be riding water. Stay on main trail. Oh. We're seeing it together. Excuse me. Down there. Oh my. Oh my. Come on, the ball. Oh. Oh my. Look at this. Excuse me.
Absolutely.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry about that. No, you're good. You're good. Guys. What? I had to get closer. Crazy. The water is freezing. Isn't this like unreal? Oh man. Insane. So beautiful, you guys. Time to leave. Wow. Day 5. I leave tomorrow. Today is going to be my favorite day of the whole entire trip. I have another 2.5 hour drive I have this waterfall that I'm going to see that's inside this cave. It's called Ruby Falls. It's super popular in Tennessee. And then, as you guys know, I got invited to take pictures for University of Tennessee Chattanooga in the McKenzie Arena, a huge D1 arena. So I have media credentials to do that. And then finally, I'm going to see sunset at Lookout Mountain, where you can see all 7 states from this one viewpoint. And there's so much to do there too. It's not just that. I'm gonna be on the border of of Georgia, only an hour and a half away from Atlanta. So who knows, I might hit up Georgia just cause. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Get ready for this long drive. We're here. It's raining right now. It's like I'm in the clouds. It's so beautiful. Here we go, y'all. That's the falls. We'll wait here. Oh, look at this. Pretty dope. Onyx column formation. Look at that. Okay. What? Whoa.
So is this in there?
Waterfalls. Oh, look at that formation. That is so dope. This is it, y'all. We're going to the falls. We're going. This is it, y'all.
Wow. Look at this side. Wow. Wow. Yeah.
Can't see much. Oh man. Where is it? Alright, look at that. Amazing. Peace out, waterfall. Just got done with the tour. Look how big this place is. This is a really big game too, the McKenzie Arena. I will be here to take pictures. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Excuse me. Hey, I have media credentials. I don't know where to pick them up. They'll be on the floor. You know where I go get those? You can go to town. Yeah, okay, thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the McKenzie Arena.
My name is Xavier. I have media credentials.
And now, fans, on your feet, let's meet the starting lineup for your Chattanooga Mob. And guard, 6'6" junior from Munich, Germany, number 2, Sebastian Hartmann.
super close game. We are leaving. Chattanooga lost by 6. Close game though. Got down to the wire.
Yeah, he might have been from Georgia.
But yeah, Lookout Mountain is the last thing on the list. And that's it. And we leave tomorrow, y'all. Okay, you guys, so see up there, if you look out from up there, it says you're supposed to be able to see 7 states. I was just up there, and when you look, do you see 7 states? No, I came at the worst day possible. You can't see a single thing at all. But on the bright side, there is the famous Lookout Waterfall that's right here that you can barely see. If you look up Lookout Mountain, the first thing you will see is this waterfall, so at least I can see that. But I'm not going to put too much on Rock City Gardens in here because it's just so cloudy. So this is all you're really going to see. I'm about to get out of here. $40 later. This was the most expensive entrance pass out of everything that I've done here. But it's okay. It's still beautiful. It's just cloudy. So yeah, Rock City Gardens. Last day. Super fun. Whew, tired. It's cold. My plane leaves at 5, I believe. Last day out here. About to make that 3-hour drive back to Nashville. Long day, y'all. Getting my shoes, I'm gonna wear these. Plan for today is see the world's largest underwater cave system. It's called Lost Sea. If I have time, I want to go to the Parthenon, which is an exact replica of the Greek Parthenon in Greece. It's an art museum, but to be honest, I doubt I'll have time. But that's the plan, y'all. That is the plan. And then we can head back. I cannot put my shoes on. Drop off the rental car and get out of here. Say bye to the dogs. You gotta say bye to the dogs. You're just a dog. Oh, don't start fighting. Oh. These dogs remind me of Faith. When Faith was a little younger, especially this white one. Okay. Gotta say bye to my aunt. I don't know where she's at. Oh, man.
Tiers. Now the things that we can see on the top are called stalactites, and the things that we can see on the bottom are called stalagmites. Now when they eventually grow together, they form a stalactostalagmite. That's a pretty big word, so it is called a column or a pillar. Now an easier way to remember this is stalactites stick tight to the ceiling, and stalagmites might grow tall someday. This wooden thing that you see right here, this is actually going to end up being a 1-to-1 scale model of the boat we're taking out later. I hope you guys are all ready. A couple are scooping out water and helping me paddle. I do need some volunteers, guys. Raise your hand now. I'm just kidding, guys. This wooden thing that you see right here, this is actually called a leaching vat. During the Civil War, Confederate soldiers came down here looking for saltpeter, also known as potassium nitrate. They didn't find any, so they had to make some.
We're getting to the good stuff. Guys, look at this. To go on a boat.
North America's largest underground lake, the Lost Sea. Now it is 800 feet long, 220 feet wide, and 65 feet up from the water surface. Now the water's depth varies. Think of it like a swimming pool. The further you go out, the deeper it is. Over there by the dock, it's gonna be about 10 to 15 feet down. In the middle, it's gonna be 35 to 40, and at the very deepest point, 60 times a day. Yeah, what's it like to be a fish? They grow to be about double the size of average trout on the surface. They live twice as long down here, and they get twice as big.
You guys get to have fish.
That's contained in the lobby above, guys. Go check him out if you'd like after this tour. He was actually pretty big. And his teeth are pretty big too.
And that was it. Good little boat ride.
We are going to start that walk out with you guys.
Headed to the airport right now, y'all. We're in a time crunch, but it was a great tour. All right, you guys, rental car's gone. Rental car is gone. We are out to the airport. To the airport. We always end the vlog at the infamous parking spot with the Kia. Appreciate you guys. I'm exhausted like always when I'm done with my trips. You've seen it. Every day was something. I was just in Clearwater, Tennessee, literally 10 hours ago. So yeah, man, fun trip. Next trip will be Southern California, January 29th to February 1st. It's just a cool little weekend getaway. But after that, we have 3 countries back to back to back. Stay tuned. Peace.